Assalamu alaikum, second year. Today we are going to study organoleptic evaluation of crude drugs, and crude drugs are mango ginger, galangal, licorice root, and valerian roots. Mango ginger botanical name is Curcuma amada. It belongs to family Zingiberaceae. Local name is mango ginger, and part uses dried rhizome. And the rhizomes are very similar to common ginger but have a raw mango taste. They are supposedly closer to turmeric than ginger. It means they are somehow they are closely related to ginger, and somehow they are closely related to turmeric as well. But the differentiation from a ginger is its distinct raw mango taste, which distinguish it from a common ginger. Here are the some pictures of mango ginger. Phytochemical profile. The major chemical components include starch, phenolic acids, volatile oils, curcuminoids, terpenoids like difurocuminol, amidanolin, and amidaldehyde. The alpha-pinene compound of essential oil has spatially contributed in aroma of the ginger or a plant. Means the raw mango taste of the mango ginger is majorly due to the alpha pinene compound. The flavonoids, terpenoids, tannins, steroids, and alkaloids are also present. Glycosides compounds also present. The nature of solvent had affected phytochemical profile of mango ginger extract, like ethanol rhizome extract showed the glycosides, resin, phytosterols, and tannins compounds, whereas as a major compound, whereas aqueous extract of a rhizome exhibit only phytosterols and glycosides. So, with respect to the extract, the phytochemical composition also changes because of the solubility of the components, like if ethanol extracts, so then more soluble components in ethanol would come into the ethanol extract, and the rest of the would come in aqueous extract. Pharmacological activity, like Ayurvedic and Unani system of medicine, have been using curcuma amada as a part of their herbal remedies for centuries as a starter, diuretic, laxative, expectorant, aphrodisiac, demulcent, febrifuge, appetizer, carminative, digestive, and many more. It is locally used as to relieve cold and cough and bronchitis. The biological activities of mango ginger include antioxidant activity, antibacterial, antifungal, anti-inflammatory, platelet aggregation, inhibitory activity, cytotoxic, and brine shrimp lethal activity, and tyrokinase inhibitory activity, CNS depressant, and analgesic. Here is the organoleptic evaluation. Here is the organoleptic evaluation. Texture is rough, external marking wrinkled and scars on the surface demarcated into nodes and internodes. Internal marking is fibrous mass. Fracture is hard. Color is fleshy and buff colored. Odor is raw mango, and taste is bitter, sweet, sour, aromatic, a mixture of taste starting from bitter, initially turning to sweet, and then sour aromatic sensation. Shape is shape cylindrical and plumpy, and size is 5 to 10 cm in length and 2 to 5 cm in diameter. Next drug is galangal. Galangal botanical name is Alpinia galinga. Family is Zingiberaceae. Again, it belongs to a family Zingiberaceae. And local name is galangal. Other name is blue ginger, chewing John, China root. There it's a lot of name according to its local origin, like if like Pakistan local name is Galangal. So with respect to the other origins, it has different local names. Greater, commonly it is known as a Greater Galangal, and part used are dried rhizome. Galangal has a sharp, citrusy, almost piney flavor, while ginger is fresh, pungently spicy, and weirdly sweet. Here are some pictures of Galinga in a crude form or in a dried form. Phytochemical profile. Galinga root is a spice native to South Asia. It is closely related to ginger and turmeric and has been used in Ayurvedic and traditional Chinese medicine for centuries. It has a compound galingoflavonoid and one ethinyl as a major, and other are alpha phenyl acetate, alpha farnesene, beta farnesene, beta bisabolene, alpha bergamotine, beta-pinene, and acetoxycholic acetate. 1,8-cineol, known as a marker compound for Alpinia species, and was reported as most abundant compound in most of the studies of Alpinia gallinga. Phenyl propenoids and phenyl hydroxy benzaldehydes are also present in the rhizome of Alpinia gallinga. Pharmacological activities and uses. Traditionally, it is used in Ayurvedic, Unani, Chinese, and Thai folk. Mostly, it is a part of a Thai cuisine. Majorly, it is used in a Thai cuisine. And ethnobotany, Galinga has medicinal effect as it promotes digestion, alleviates respiratory disease and stomach problem. And Alpinia basically have three different species, that is Alpinia officinarum, Alpinia galinga, and it and all these species have different medicinal uses. Alpinia galinga possess antimicrobial activity against various bacteria and fungi. Essential oil exhibit antimicrobial activity against trichophyton mentagrophites, and galangal roots is a rich source of antioxidants which are beneficial plant that help fight disease and protect your cells from damaging free radicals. Other pharmacological activities such as anti-inflammatory and analgesic actions, anti-cancer, anti-melanogenic, and potential and apoptotic activity. It is in recent research, it is most considerable raw herb for anti-cancer activity because it has a apoptosis activity. Methanolic extract of Alpinia galanga show inhibitory activity against human immunodeficiency virus HIV-1, and it also has an insecticidal activity. Nutrition facts are: one serving of galangal root 100 grams contain about 71 calories, 15 gram carbohydrate, 1 gram protein, 1 gram fat, 2 gram fiber, and 5.4 grams vitamin C. That it has a strong antioxidant activity. Organoleptic evaluation: texture is rough, external marking, longitudinal wrinkles, fibrous, reddish brown externally, internally light orange brown, internally solid mass, fracture short and irregular, color is brown, odor is aromatic and pleasant, taste is sharp, citrusy and piney flavor, shape cylindrical, irregular, slightly tortuous, and size is 5 to 10 cm in length. Mulethi, another crude drug, its botanical name is Glycyrrhiza glabra, and it belongs to a family Leguminosae, and Leguminosae is the largest family and it has a subfamily Fabaceae. Local name is Mulethi and English name is Glycyrrhiza licorice sweet wood or licorice root. Part used is dried unbleached root. Licorice is a powerful natural sweetener and it is 150 to 170 times sweeter than sucrose. Here are the pictures of mulethi or a liquorice root. Mulethi is appeared in present in this form in your lab in a dried fruit drug. Phytochemical profile, it has glycyrrhizin 16 to 14%. Mainly it has a saponin type of a glycosides, that is glycyrrhizin, and glyceritic acid, liquidin, isoliquidin, liquidin, liquid coumarin, methyl isoflavone, glucose, sucrose, and mannitol. However, glycyrrhizin and glycyrrhizinic acids are considered to be the main active components and are potent inhibitors of a cortisol metabolism because of its steroidal structure. The drugs occur in peel or unpeeled stolon and roots. Pharmacological activities are: roots of this plant has been used for cough, cold, asthma, and COPD. Glycyrrhizin alleviated allergic asthma in oval women, induced experimental mouse model of asthma. Some of its medicinal properties due to isoflavonoid glabridin. Glabridin inhibits cyclooxygenase activity and has an anti-inflammatory effect and antiplatelet effect as well. Flavonoid extract is responsible for LPS-induced pulmonary inflammation and inhibiting the recruitment of neutrophils, macrophages, and lymphocytes. So flavonoids is responsible for anti-inflammatory effect by this mechanism, and glycyrrhizin or its salts is particularly responsible or used in the treatment of a peptic ulcers and as an expectorant. It is a very good expectorant. Also used as a demulcent, sweetening agent because it is more sweeter than sucrose. It is used as a sweetening agent in many formulations. Flavoring agent, tonic, laxative, diuretic, used in genitourinary disease, cough, and sore throat. Organoleptic evaluations: texture is rough, external marking hard, uneven, wrinkled surface, dark brown, internal marking yellow color, fibrous, fracture is soft, fibrion, color is dark brown, peeled drug is yellowish, and odor is aromatic, pleasant, taste is sweet, shape is cylindrical and irregular, size is length is 5 to 10 cm in length. Last drug, Balchar. Botanical name is Valeriana vellachi and local name is Balachar in Urdu, Aram in Arabic, and Balamush in Palestine. English name is Valerian and family is Valeriniaceae. Part use are roots. Here are some images of Balchar. Balchar basically exists in this form in a crude drug, and it is also available in some capsules or some kind of extract form, and it is a herb of sleeping aid, and it is majorly used in sedative and anxiolytic drug, and it is commonly known as a sleeping aid drug. Phytochemical profile: volatile oil, valeric acid, terpene, alkaloids. Valerian is considered to be a marker compound of it and is among the top selling herb in the United States and has long been used as a remedy of sleep disorder and anxiety. So it is majorly used in a sleep disorder, anxiolytic, sedative. Valerian contains a variety of chemical compounds including valerianic acid, valproates, amino acids, lignans that may act synergistically to exert sedative effects. Pharmacological activities: it is a useful herb in Ayurvedic medicine and it is used as an analeptic, antispasmodic, carminative, sedative, stimulant, stomachic, and nervine. Analeptic is which restore the health or restrain the health because it is considered to be a sleeping aid or sleeping drug which induce sleep and use in insomnia majorly. So that's why it also ultimately restore the health. as carminative antiplasmotic used in epilepsy, nervous disorder, hysteria. Valeronone and valproates are present in valerian villei valproates and are responsible for the chief effect of valerian as a potent sedative. It inhibits enzyme-induced breakdown of GABA in the brain, resulting in sedation. So it is a GABA inhibitory drug. And valeriana, a villei root extract, improves sleep quality. Texture is hairy, uneven, external marking, hairy surface, internal marking, black color and mass. Fracture is brittle, color is black, odor is characteristic and penetrating. The distinguished feature of this group drug is its odor. It has a very calm odor and penetrating odor that also supposed to be induced in induction of a sleep because it has a very calming and penetrating and pleasant odor. Taste is unpleasant, shape is irregular. So here all the four drugs have been discussed. Hopefully you will get it, and if you have any queries you can discuss it up in comments below. Thank you.